combine, I guess, our areas of expertise to create, I guess, things that we would say recalibrate the cognitive tissue that binds man and machine.
Yeah, so we're interested in machines, robots, and Adam is on the hardware side of things, and I'm doing the brain of the robots, programming the systems from microcontrollers of the robots, very deep down in the technology, to the whole system that's simulating its movements and executing the movements, and also to get the inputs of the different sensor data and to integrate that into an interactive piece.
Yes, the piece that we're showing in this exhibition is called Empathy Swarm. And it is about an emergent behavior or system of robots that can respond to the emotion within us all. For Empathy Swarm, one of the things that we looked at was to see if there's any background into using non-anthropomorphic systems or robots that could trigger compassion or empathy within us. And so one thing we found was from two psychologists from the 1940s.
Yeah, Fritz Seider and Marianne Zimmer.
Yeah, who showed through a very simple animation that it's possible that, that it's inherently built into us that we have a compassionate response, even to seemingly inanimate objects. Our work, Empathy Swarm, as it relates to the exhibition A World Without Us, asks the question, in a way, what is our future robotic offspring? So if AI were to become sentient and learn how to have empathy and emotions, and for some reason we are gone, what kind of system and behaviours would be left behind? How would they act to serve as a memory or a vessel of what human emotion was if future archaeologists from unknown skies came to examine what happened?
Machines are not alone as focusing on creating an ecosystem of human-machine cohabitation, and that's exactly what we need to train our swarm and to get all these memories that we want to conserve in the swarm. So we first need sort of the scenario where the human is present to then have a swarm that is relevant in a world without us.
With Empathy Swarm, it is our hope that we lay, I guess, a seed or some slight foundation to the question of the ethics in robotics, or the ethics in algorithmic bias, you could say. There is a lot of work, of course, being done on empathy and emotion recognition within artificial intelligence. But most of it, I guess, that research is headed towards commercial reasons. So we think it's important that we don't just treat AI and its foundation for learning as an optimization goal, which is not get to the state of a world that is without us because it can't support life anymore. Then we need to start putting some of these seeds and foundations down.